Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hakima. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Today's video today is Sunday, so Sunday shout outs. So here on the screen, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for letting I have channel shout out. Channel shout out goes to Robin. Thank you, Robin, for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for letting me know that you want a channel shout out. I really appreciate it. So, yep, Robin. I mean, y'all can see it on the screen, but yeah. So y'all go ahead, subscribe to her channel, and go comment, go like her videos, and share. She does a lot of kind of videos. She do like school videos and playlist videos. And she just did, she just posted this one now. I'm gonna watch that. But yeah, she did a lot of kind of videos that y'all will definitely love to watch. So y'all better go over there to her channel right now. Make sure y'all subscribe and support her. Support her all the way. So video, y'all probably see something back here. There's gonna be like a whole nother video and my nails. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.